Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. Under that, the given inequations are 3x plus 2y less than or equals to 12, x greater than or equals to 1, y greater than or equals to 2. So we'll write it as 3x plus 2y less than or equals to 12. This can be written as 3x plus 2y less than 12, while it is 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. So by sending 3x to this side, then we'll get it as 12 minus 3x. Then we'll get it as y is equals to 12 minus 3x by 2. Now we'll take the ordered pairs in such a way that one time we'll make x as 0, so that we'll get y as 6. Suppose if I take x is equals to 4, then y will becomes 0. So substituting origin in the inequation 3x plus 2y less than or equals to 12, we will get it as 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 less than 12. Then we will get it as 0 plus 0 less than 12. We will get it as 0 less than 12. Then we will get it as true. Therefore, we can say that origin lies in the region of 3x plus 2y less than or equals to 12. While the next one is known as x greater than or equals to 1, we will get it as x greater than 1, x is equals to 1. While x is equal to 1 is in the form of x is equals to k parallel to y-axis at a distance of 1 unit from the origin. At a distance of 1 unit from the origin. We will write it as 1 unit from the origin. Right. Now, when we substitute origin here, we'll check it what we are going to get it here. So by substituting origin in the inequation x greater than 1, we'll get it as 0 greater than 1, that is false. So we can say that origin does not lies in the region of x greater than or equals to 1. Similarly, the next one is known as y greater than or equals to 2. We will separate it as y greater than 2 and y is equals to 2. While y is equals to 2 is in the form of y is equals to k parallel to x-axis. Y is equal to k, then parallel to x-axis, and at a distance of 2 units from the origin. Now when we substitute origin here, we will get a 0 greater than 2, that is false. So we can say that origin does not lies in the region of y greater than or equals to 2. Right. Now we'll take the graph, children. So we'll take this one as y-axis, and let me take this one as x-axis. So here we'll write it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If x is equal to 0, y is equals to 6. That is 0, comma 6. If x is equals to 4, y is equals to 0. Then when we join these 2 points, we'll get a straight line. And this straight line says that when we substitute origin, it is getting true. So we can say that we should draw the lines towards origin, because origin is included in this region. So we are going to draw the lines towards origin. And this graph is called as 3x plus 2y less than or equals to 12. While x is equals to 1 is a line which is parallel to y-axis. So we'll draw line x is equals to 1. And when we substitute origin, we got the result as false. So we should draw the lines away from the origin, stating that the origin will not be included in this region. So we'll write it as x greater than or equals to 1. So this one is known as x greater than or equals to 1. Y greater than or equals to 2. Y is equal to 2 is a line which is parallel to x-axis. If we substitute origin, we got the result as false. So we should draw the lines away from the origin. So this is the region where you are going to draw the lines. We will call this one as y greater than or equals to 2. Now you see, when we check this region, only one region will be the common region for this given inequations. The region which is common to these inequations can be shaded a little bit, which says that the region is common. So the region we will call it as this region, the mesh part of this region. This is the region which I am shading now. This is the common region for all the given three system of inequations. So whenever these three system of inequations are seen, this is the common region, and this common region we will call it as the solution set.